Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. It's received 4.7 out of 5 stars and over 20,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. The Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is a simple, versatile kitchen tool that can help you quickly blend smoothies, shakes, and other recipes. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it. Before the first use, you're going to want to wash the blending cup, lid, and blade assembly. It's dishwasher safe and friendly. Rinse them and dry thoroughly, then place the base on a flat surface. Cut your fruits, vegetables, or other ingredients into small pieces for easier blending. Fill the blending cup with your ingredients. Then add liquids first, like water, juice, or milk, followed by softer ingredients, then harder items like ice last. Do not fill beyond the max fill line. If you're adding protein powders or other supplements, sprinkle them on top of the ingredients. Screw the blade assembly onto the top of the cup, making sure it's securely tightened. Flip the cup so that the blade assembly is facing downward. Align the tabs on the cup with the slots on the base, then push down firmly to engage the motor. For pulsing, press down on the cup in short bursts to get the desired consistency. For continuous blending, press down and hold the cup for a smoother blend. Avoid overfilling. Never fill the cup above the max fill line to prevent spills or improper blending. Always include some liquid in your recipe to help the blending process. The blades are sharp, so be cautious when handling or cleaning them. That's it. Enjoy your freshly blended smoothies, shakes, or whatever creative concoction you come up with using your Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.